This is the Flat Laco Summer Bag. This is limited edition by GLOSSYBOX. Let's take a look to see exactly what we get inside. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have another unboxing for you, and it is this. So this is a PR box from GLOSSYBOX. And it just says here, GLOSSYBOX UK Holiday Kit 2022. Let's get this open. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Right guys, so this is inside. Oh, that is lovely. Look at that. Very nice indeed. We get an edit card with this one, just telling where all the information we need to know about the products inside, which is fantastic. So I've literally got my phone and I've just been on the website. And it just says here, this box or bag, this is the Flat Laco Summer Bag Limited Edition 2022. This costs £45. If you are a subscriber, you get £10 off, making it £35, which is absolutely fabulous. It says here that it's filled with 12 summer essentials. You get 6 full-size products and 6 deluxe minis. The bag is worth over £129. They've been carefully picked to enhance your summer beauty experience. It's finally time again to pack your suitcase and jet off to your favourite sunny destination. And what better way to kick off with a Flat Laco GLOSSYBOX tropical design travel bag. Yeah, we need to open this bad boy to see exactly what we've got in here. Just to be totally clear and transparent, like I mentioned before, this is a PR box from GLOSSYBOX. I have not paid for this. I have received this for free. But just to let you know that even though this has been gifted, my thoughts are my own. If I don't like something, I will certainly let you know. I always get a product and look at it and think, if I bought this, would I be happy? So let's see if I will be happy. So let's open this bag up. Okay, oh, that goes back like that, okay. Ooh. Oh, wow, look at that. That opens up like that. That's absolutely fantastic. There is a sneak peek for you. I love this bag already. Oh my god, and look at the print. How cute is that print? If you want to get this box at a cheaper rate, become a subscriber if you are not already one. I'll put a link in the information box and the comment box, and it will get your first GLOSSYBOX for £10. So that's the monthly subscription box. So what you pay for that is what you're saving on this. So just by doing that, you're basically getting 1 month free on the GLOSSYBOX. So I think that's a bargain to me. Right, so like I say, here is the edit card. There is a little note here. Let's just have a quick read. It just says, it's finally time again to pack your suitcase and jet off to your favourite sunny destination. Is this the same as what I've just read on the website? It might possibly be. This may be your first holiday back after lockdown. Okay, it's slightly different. And what better way to kick it off with a Flat Laco GLOSSYBOX tropical design travel bag worth £19.99. So yeah, the first product is the bag. And it's very nice indeed. So like I said before, it's filled with 12 summer essentials, 6 full size, 6 deluxe sizes. Yeah, let's just dig in, shall we? So the first thing we have is this. So this is by the brand Hawaiian Tropic. This is a deluxe size, which for a deluxe size, that's a really good size. And this is a Golden Paradise Shimmer Spray. So a deluxe mini, which is 100 mils, is worth £6. If you were to go and buy the full size product, it's £10, so very affordable indeed. And it just says a lightly scented fragrance mist infused with warm sand creamy coconut and sparkling shimmer for the perfect summer party. From glistening sand to warm sultry skin, this irresistible signature scent of Hawaiian Tropic excludes a beachy glow from head to toe. Well, we've got to give this a try, haven't we? Oh my god, yes, that does smell very good. Let's just rub that in there. Okay, yeah, so it has some tiny, tiny shimmer particles in it. I wonder if the camera will pick it up. I don't think it is. But that's how fine they are. And there isn't a lot of them, but it's just enough for a little sparkle. But yeah, that is gorgeous. Oh god, yeah, and it smells so, so good. The second product we have is this. So this is by the brand Lancaster, and again this is a deluxe size. It's SPF 30 Sun Beauty Body Milk. So this deluxe mini, it's 15 mils and worth £2.40. If you were to go out and buy the full size, which is 175 mils, it's £28. It just says discover our most advanced sun protection with the Sun Beauty Body Milk SPF 30. Targets 100% sun spectrum in a clean and ocean friendly formula. Ultra lightweight, non-greasy and immediately invisible on the skin. Okay, so I don't think I've tried this before. I've had a few products by this brand, but definitely not this. Oh, that looks so cute. I'm sorry if you can hear snoring. My dog is stuck to me like glue. He will not leave me alone, and you're on my tripod and he's actually asleep under the tripod, and he kind of heavy breathes and snores, so sorry. But yeah, this is what that looks like. So there it is there. Ooh, that's really nice. Yeah, look, totally invisible, and it's actually left my skin glowy, and it smells really, really pleasant too. Oh yes, I love a bit of SPF, especially when it is like that. Very nice. Third product we have is this. So this is by the brand Forest Essentials. This is a deluxe size, really. That's quite a size. This is an exfoliating body polish in sandalwood and turmeric. Ooh. So let's have a look. Deluxe mini, there's 100 grams in here and it's worth £16. If you were to go out and buy the full size product, that would be 200 grams, that would be £32. It just says a gently exfoliating body polish that uses raw cane sugar crystals to scrub your skin, leaving it smooth and buffed with a luminous finish. It contains nutritious cold pressed oils along with sandalwood and fresh turmeric to add a glow and a delicate fragrance to the skin. I love exfoliation, so we're gonna have to rip this bad boy open. It looks absolutely lovely, doesn't it? Yeah, bring on the summer. Oh, it's sealed and I really want to leave it sealed. I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna leave this sealed because I keep opening everything and I've got so much stuff open and it's gonna go off. So I'll keep this sealed. If I remember, I will do a little review when I do get around to using it. But just by looking at it, looks very, very nice indeed. Love the packaging. Product number 4 we have is this. So this is by the brand Bondi Sands, and this is a full-size product. This is a coconut, oh my god, it's coconut. I love, love, love coconut. This is a coconut SPF 50 lip balm. Fantastic. So the RRP on this is £4.99. Really, really affordable to get that protection on your lips, which is fantastic. And it just says, enjoy a sun-soaked day the Bondi Sand way. Hydrate and soothe your lips with this nourishing Bondi Sands SPF 50 plus lip balm. Oh, I haven't actually got anything on my lips at the moment, so it's not sealed, so let's just do it even though it's nighttime. That feels so good. And it tastes so good too. Oh no, I'm gonna be licking that off my lips. Oh dear me. But that is what it looks like. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm a fan. The product we have is this. So this is by the brand Iconic London. This is another full-size product, and this is Triple Threat Mascara. And the RRP on this is £20. and it just says an ultra black, stunning, weightless formula that volumizes, lengthens and lifts the lashes all day and well into the night for a dramatic, fluttery look. Oh God, I've got a thing with mascaras. I love mascaras. Give me 50 of these and I'll be a happy girl. Oh, look at that packaging on that, on the tube. Iconic London have got their packaging down, definitely. But what is the brush like? I love it. That is the brush there. That is my kind of brush. I can't wait to try that out. Product number 6 we have is this. So this is by the brand Elie Saab, and it's a deluxe size Girl of Now perfume called Lovely. I just received this in a latest in beauty box as a free gift, so to have it as one of the products in here, I'm not sure, but I suppose with this we get 2. Let me know if you get 2 in your box if you purchase the box. So it just says here, a deluxe mini, which is 1.5ml, is worth £1.50. If you had to go out and buy the full size, it's a 50ml pot. It's not a pot. You know what I mean. It's a 50ml size and it's 66. Sorry about that. My dog nearly toppled my tripod. He's just woke up. Stay there, baby. I have actually had this before and guys, it smells so good. I have a few samples of this now and I'm really quite happy about it because it's just absolutely divine. Number 7 we have is this. So this is by the brand Revolution Beauty. This is a full size product and this is a Hydra Balm Gloss Hydrate. The RRP for this is £6, so super affordable. It just says hydrate and plump your lips with this Revolution Hydra Balm, a high shine non-sticky lip gloss formulated with hyaluronic and peptides to hydrate lips and slightly plump for a fuller looking appearance and glossy finish. Fantastic. So I've just put that on my lips. Never mind, let's give this one a go, I suppose. To give you a closer look, yeah, look at that. It looks like water droplets on there. I really like that. Wow, so it's quite a big dofer. We like that. Really liking that colour. Wow. And that is what the lip gloss looks like. Beautiful shine. Not sticky at all, which is fantastic. Yeah, I really like that. Product number 8 we have is this. So this is by the brand Frank Body. This is a full size product and it's a caffeine hair mask. Now you're talking. I love a good old hair mask. I can't wait to try this. It has an RRP of £12.95, so again, really affordable. So this full size product is 125ml. It just says it wants smoother, stronger, longer locks. Here we go. Lightweight yet deeply hydrating, this caffeinated hair mask is the secret to head turning hair flips. A blend of strengthening keratin, scalp smoothing niacinamide and moisturising comfrey root nourish all hair types and is especially helpful for babes with curly or dry hair. So this should help me with my dry hair, although my hair's a mixture of dry and damaged with the bleach. But yeah, fabulous. Have I received that before? I don't think I have, but my memory is so bad. Is this? It is sealed, so I'm going to leave that sealed. But you will be getting a video on this because I love doing reviews on hair masks, so watch this space. Number 9 we have is this. So this is by the brand Manicurist. This is a full size product and this is nail colour terracotta. It has an RRP of £14. It just says this green range of polish contains up to 84% natural ingredients. Potato, corn, cassava, I don't know how to pronounce that, and cotton. Nothing's too good for your nails. This terracotta shade is gorgeous too. It'll coat your nails with a vibrant and warm scorched red earth tone. Yeah, fab. I must say I have moved on to like gel polishes and stuff now. I am so into Madam Glam gel polish. I'll link a playlist just here and that's of all the Madam Glam gel polishes. that I've received from them. Amazing. But yeah, this is the shade. Oh my god, that is bright. That is lovely. What a lovely, lovely shade of red. At 10, we have, oh, is this. Ooh. So this is by the brand Pro White Teeth Kits. This is a full-size product, and this is a teeth whitening pen. It has an RRP of £15. So I think for a teeth whitening product, that's quite affordable. It just says, call this the Teeth Whitening Pen 2.0. Formulated with the latest PAP X formula. I don't know what that means. This pen contains all the same benefits as the brand's original pen, but with a formula that works faster and delivers better results. Oh, I cannot wait to try this. Oh my god. Open it up now. But I am most definitely going to be doing a review on this. My teeth need whitening so bad, so we'll see how good it actually is. So product number 11 is this. So this is by the brand Laura Mercier, and this is a pure canvas primer hydrating. So this is a deluxe mini size, which is 10 mils, and it's worth £6.40. If you were to go out and buy the full size, which is 50 mils, it would be £34. It just says hydrate and perfect your complexion with the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer Hydrating, a replenishing formula that provides a rich moisturize and helps to create a flawless base for makeup. Okay, so yeah, fab. That is what that looks like. Is that sealed? It certainly is. It is staying sealed. But yeah, wow. I mean, it's only little. It's only a deluxe mini. It's 10 mils, but Laura Mercier, fantastic. Very last product we have in here is this. So this is by the brand Glam Glow. Again, this is a deluxe size, and it's Bright Mud Exfoliating Mask. So a deluxe mini is 7 grams and it's worth £4.85. If you were to go out and buy a full size, which is 65 grams, it would be £45. It just says, defeat dull skin in 20 minutes. Bright Mud is a dual action exfoliating mask treatment working to both chemically and physically buff away unwanted dead skin cells. With lactic acid, AHA, and salicylic acid, BHA, and microfine pumice. Cool. Yeah, once I get a bit more settled, I ideally want to get my beauty room all done and dusted, which is going to be about another month, possibly 5-6 weeks. I'm going to start my Friday face masks again, and yeah, this is going to go in my face mask drawer because it'll be one of the ones that we eventually will do. Right guys, so this is the Flat Lay Co Summer Bag 2022 limited edition bag. What do you think? Personally, I freaking love this box. I think it's so good. And I'm not just saying that because it has been gifted to me. There's so many products there that I think are absolutely fabulous. And yes, you get 12 products in your box, but what you've got to remember, the box itself is the cosmetics bag, so that's technically 13 products that you're getting, and that alone is worth £20. So yes, if you are non-subscriber, £45. But guys, use my link down below. Click that link, go and subscribe to the monthly box. You'll get your first box for a tenner. That's the £10 that you're saving from the £45, because it would be £35 if you are a subscriber. So yeah, it's so worth it. Guys, let me know what you think. Comment down below. Are you going to get this box? Just a reminder, this is available on the 2nd of July. You can pre-order this now. In fact, I suggest you do pre-order it, because this is really good. It's probably going to sell out quite quick. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.